So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add videos on Duda website. So the first thing you want to do once you're logged in is go to your website, so your website builder. After that you can see on the left side layers, theme, pages, widgets, media, content, sell online, many more options on the left as well. Now through here, in order to add media, you can do something like this. So you can go through media and then add images and videos. So you can find images that are linked to this. You can also click on upload media, which will open up your file explorer to give some other media, like some other images, and you can see videos underneath. So let's add this video, for example. So if I want to add it like this, I can insert it to a column. I can just place it right there. And I can even choose something like this. And you can see right now I'm in the editor for that video. You can see some video design like alignment, spacing, size, animation, and position. So you can choose quite a lot of stuff. So you can manage it through here. So you can replace it, you can delete it, you can put in some other video from YouTube, Vimeo, or Dailymotion URLs, and you can customize that as well. If you're unsatisfied, you can just go ahead and click on delete, and you can see it's been removed, and you can just add something else like a URL from these websites I just named. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.